Hello everyone, myself Lekha Nole and today we are going to present some of our major project ideas. Our group number is 8 and our project guide is Praveen sir. So these are some of our project ideas. First, smart water pump controller. Second, dry hand washing machine by fog disinfection to save water. Third, voice controlled air purifier and music player. Fourth, missing component detection on PCB. Fifth, fertilizer monitoring system. So according to our first project, smart water pump controller, we are going to control the water pump through the application in the mobile phone to prevent overflowing of water in the water tank. So this is the proposed system block diagram. These are some.
Myself Disha Sawant. Our next project topic name is voice control air purifier with music play. Air pollution is now global problem and especially in major cities. Well, here we develop a modern day air purifier which can be operated by just voice commands and which also plays and relaxing music when asked by user. So this is proposed system. The Raspberry Pi makes use of microphone to listen the user commands. The user may start or turn off the purifier by saying turn on the purifier and turn off the purifier. The purifier pulls in air through the bottom and throws out filter air through the top mesh. The Raspberry Pi is used to listen to user's command and operate the fan and speaker to fulfill all functions of this multi-purpose air purifier. The LCD display shows how much percentage of dust present in air. A HEPA filter is used for removing the dust from the air. So these are the components: Raspberry Pi, air quality sensor, fan, speaker, microphone, HEPA filter, UV filter, LCD display, resistor, capacitor, diodes and transistor, buttons and switches, electrical wiring, PCB board, supporting rod, steel mesh connectors.
Myself Mansi Vishwakarma. Our next project is PCB component detection on PCB using IP from image processing, printed circuit board PCB defect detection and classification system using image processing. इसमें एक ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट डेवलप करने वाले हैं हम लोग जो पीसीबी के अंदर मिसिंग कंपोनेंट को डिटेक्शन करेगा और उसमें काउंटिंग करके बताएगा कि ये मिसिंग कंपोनेंट है. This is proposed system: IR sensor, LCD, 16:2 microcontroller, Max 32 PCB for testing, web camera, DC motor, separately assembly component used. Max 230 RAC sensor, LCD 16:2 microcontroller, DC motor driver, PCB testing, web camera.
So our next project is fertilizer monitoring system. It can measure nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium and the pH level of chemical fertilizer. The recording time and the test sample are automatically saved with the display feature. The data can be transferred to remote base station monitoring software for analysis, storage and real-time display. So this is the proposed system. So through the NPK sensor, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium will be sent through the chemical fertilizer and through the signal conditioning circuit it will be sent to the microcontroller, and to the communication module the information will be sent to the monitoring software base station and the message would be delivered. So these are some of the components we are going to use. So here are the 5 parameters and sub-parameters of matrix table. First, resource availability. Second, knowledge impact. Third, social aspect. Fourth, time completion. And fifth, cost. So according to the first project, smart water pump controller, we have given 0 or 1 mark according to the sub-parameter and written the total over here. So the total cost for this project is 8,500. Second, dry hand washing machine by fog disinfection. The total cost is 10,300. Third, voice controlled air purifier and music player. The total cost is 20,000. Fourth, missing component detection on PCB using image processing. The total cost is 12,000. Fifth, fertilizer monitoring system. The total cost is 14,000. So here we come to the final matrix table. We have given the total marks and took out the percentage and written the total calculated percentage in the weightage table. So the final project comes from the decision matrix is smart water pump controller. Thank you.